Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. It's Ash and you already know 49ers. Yes, honey. So obviously this look was inspired by the Super Bowl and I wanted to, you know, just do something fun for that. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing the Chiefs later on and maybe a little something else, but I don't know. But other than that, yes, honey, let me know what you think in the comments. This was so much fun and it's so freaking cute, you guys. Yeah, sorry. So if you're new here, welcome. Nice to meet you. If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So if you guys do want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. All right, so we're going to start off with the face using this primer, the Master Prime by Maybelline. This is the Blur and Illuminate. Next, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in medium. I'm going to use the orange and that concealer shade, and I'm going to just color correct my skin. Now I'm going to set my face with this translucent powder by NYX Cosmetics. All right, this is the fun part. This is Graftobian powdered metal. This is gold. I mixed it with some water. Now I'm going to just paint my face. Next, I'm going to use this Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Medium Deep. Now I'm going to set my concealer with this Black Radiance Banana Powder. Next, this is the MILANI Shine Control Powder in Medium Deep. I'm going to just set my entire face. Next, I'm contouring with the Contour Kit by Anastasia in Tan to Deep. I'm going to take that dark shade. Now I'm going to take this Music Flower 5-color blusher stack, and I'm going to use the top blush shade. And then this Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in Parasol. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this is. Now to set my face, I'm using the BADESCU Cucumber Aloe and green tea spray. Then I'm going to move on to painting the other side again. That is a white paint from, I think it's called BUGGLES Pro paint or something. So I'm going to just do this one line. I'm kind of going for the 49ers pants here. This is the MEHRON Paradise palette. So this is watercolor paint. And then I'm going to just do a red stripe now. I'm going to do a second stripe so that way it's similar to the pants once again. So I'm going to let that dry, and now I'm going to take this jumbo white liner from NYX, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it out. Now using the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick, this is Unicorn Blood. I'm going to just pat that on top of the white. So this is kind of like a double base. Now this is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I'm going to put this brown shade right here in my crease to just soften that red, which kind of looks pink, but we're going to go over that. And this Take Me Back to Brazil palette with this hot red. I'm going to do my brows off camera, and then I'm going to do a gold liner with the same paint that I used for my face. I'm going to just map it out, do a little wing. And then I'm going back with this liner, and then I'm going to do my under eyes red, just like the top. White liner on the other side and fill in the red again. Now, this is glitter adhesive and red glitter. This is going to be so cute, you guys. Now I'm going to use this fan brush to just get all the glitter that fell out. And then I'm going to highlight my inner corners. And then I'm going to prime my lashes. Say hi. I didn't show the mascara, but it's L'Oreal. And these are the AJOURD Luxury Lashes. Queen 1. And then this is the Jeffree Star lipstick. And then I'm done. All right, my love, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it. If you did like this video, please go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more videos. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.